I love you all so much and I appreciate each and every one of you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you hit that little subscribe button before you go. So today we are going to be talking about my favorite part of the body, which is the décolleté, or your chest. I find it to be the most beautiful spot on a woman's body, and I like to put makeup on mine when I am wearing a halter top or a off-the-shoulder top or anything that accentuates my collarbones or my shoulders. I am a woman with broad shoulders and I like to embrace those broad shoulders, so I wear a lot of things that reveal them. And I also have predominant collarbones, so I like to enhance them, make them pop a little bit more. First thing that we are going to use is the Body Blur Bronzing Lotion. I did a review on this product. If you want to check it out, there's a link up there. And take a little bit of this and just rub it all over the chest. To give it a little bit of bronzed, glittered look. Also, I like to mix this stuff with my SPF as well. I use the Simple SPF. This is a non-scented, all-natural SPF, and it is an SPF 15. If you don't use sunscreen, I highly recommend you start doing it. I put it on every day, all over my body. It's so important. You know, my mom was telling me the other day that the one thing that she wished she would have done when she was younger was worn sunscreen. So there's just a little bit of information there. Hey, and you guys, let me know, do you wear sunscreen? And how often do you wear it? Do you wear it every day? All right, so now that we got that bronzer and some sunscreen on, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wet n Wild Contour Chubby, which I'm almost out of. This is like one of my favorite contouring tools. They're like $3 or $4 at Walmart or any drugstore. So I take it and I'm going to go ahead and put, I'm almost out, this is sad. Go ahead and put it underneath the collarbone and also in this little dip right here. I'm gonna put some right in there as well and along my neck. This will also give a thinning effect. You can also do it on your chest too if you would like to. I don't usually do that, but sometimes I do. It will give you a nice breast lift effect, but I'm not doing that. I don't typically do it, but you can always do it if you would like to. So now that we got the contour, let's go in with a highlight, and I'm going to go ahead and use this, which is almost gone too, this ColourPop concealer. This is in the lightest shade that they have, and I will post links below for you guys to check out all these products and find out where you can purchase them. So we're gonna take this highlight and put it right on top. And down the neck and just right here. Now this shade is a little bit too light, but it will all work out in the end. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my little Crown blending brush. And we're going to go ahead and buff this all out. So once we have all the bronzer blended in to where there's no dark patchiness, we're gonna go ahead and take a damp beauty blender and press the highlight into the skin. And as you can already see, we're not done yet, but those collarbones are just like popped out even more. Okay, so this is just with the highlight and the contour. You can see that it has really accentuated the collarbones. They definitely stick out more. So the next step that I like to take is the ColourPop Crystal Liquid Highlighter. It is the gold shade. And I like to just put a little bit on the back of, that's a lot, take a little bit on the back of my hand, and I like to just rub it right onto the top of the collarbone. And then again, I go back with that Beauty Blender and I press that highlight into the skin. And then with what's left on the back of my hand, I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm going to dab it all over the tops of my shoulders. We don't want to waste any product. I love glittery shoulders. I love highlight. I think it looks beautiful in the sun. This is like my favorite thing to do in the summertime. Okay, so now that we have the highlight done, the contour done, all of that, we're gonna go ahead and go in with some bronzer just to do the finishing touch. So I'm going to take this What Up Beaches bronzer from Elizabeth Mott. Go back in with that crown brush and go right underneath the collarbone again. This is just finishing the look. Setting the liquid to make it to where it doesn't smear off. What I also love about doing this is it's not giving you a fake appearance, it's just enhancing the features that you already have. I don't ever like to make myself look like a totally different person. I just want to enhance what features God already gave me. So this is one of my favorite things to do because it's not over the top. Now to top off the collarbone, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. Pick up this Afterglow. Using the same brush, I'm just going to rub some right there on top of the collarbone to set in that liquid highlighter. And there we have it. That is all done. Go ahead and take my big bronzer fluffy brush and pick up some highlight and some bronzer from here. Tap that off. Rub some on my shoulders, give them a finished look. Have it a nice sparkly décolleté neck area that is not overly enhanced, but definitely exposes the collarbones a little bit more and makes them pop just a little bit extra. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry that I'm not doing a fashion haul today. My order still hasn't got here, so stay tuned for that and make sure you hit the subscribe button. I love you all so much and I appreciate each and every one of you. Have an awesome week. Bye.